4 teams are challenged to build the most extreme Toyota vehicle for their charity. Team Clint Boyer designs a Prius. Team Antron Brown builds a Sequoia. The Kyle Busch team creates a Camry. Alexis DeJoria's team tackles a Tundra. You decide the winner. Voting starts October 20th for the Toyota Racing Dream Build Challenge. As the new Toyota Sequoia rolls in, the Antron Brown team prepares for the big transformation.
So we're working with Antron to build a Sequoia to be something that the entire family can use and then enjoy at the drag strip.
The build process is going to be intense, and they're working their butts off, blood, sweat, and tears. They're making it special. We're chopping it down. We're making it low. We're making it mean. We're making it aggressive, and in all, we're making it fast.
The entire team is pumped and ready to bring Antron's vision to life.
Antron came to us with a vision of what he would like out of this project, and we're going to do the best we can to give him exactly what he's looking for.
We can do just about anything here. We have enough tooling and manpower to get, stuff done.
I stripped down the body so we can get the, took everything out of it just so it's a shell, so we could roll it over to the frame and then see where we're gonna cut and delete and stuff like that.
To make this build successful on a shortened time schedule, everyone needs to be on the same page, and that includes parts vendors.
Okay, we'll just wait then.
Until we get the wheels, we can't decide just how wide this tire is going to be. So we need to get the wheels before we can finalize the way the body gets cut and the final part of the frame that locates the wheels and tires.
Right now, we could probably afford a hiccup. A month from now, we really can't afford that because that could put us way behind, and then we don't get to put out the kind of product we want to put out.
Remember to vote for your favorite team. Voting starts October 20th. Be sure to look for weekly updates on the Toyota Racing Dream Build app, Toyota Racing's Facebook and Twitter feeds, and on the Toyota Racing YouTube channel. And tune in right here October 30th when the winner will be announced live at the SEMA show in Las Vegas.